Welcome to KZ Auto Hub. Today we're diving into the world of JDM legends. But not just any legend, we're looking at a reimagined beast, the custom Nissan 350Z concept. A car that combines raw heritage with futuristic aggression. This is not the 350Z you remember. It's an entirely redefined expression of power, stance, and precision, coated in an ultra-sleek satin black finish that absorbs the light in just the right way. This wide-body monster commands attention with its extended flared arches, custom aerodynamic body kits, and carbon fiber accents that scream modern performance. Up front, the face of this 350Z is completely reworked, sporting a razor-sharp bumper design with deep air ducts, fang-like LED strips integrated within aggressive, smoked-out headlamps, and a hood that features twin carbon vents to cool its retuned heart. It's a vision of intimidation, precision sculpted for performance and beauty. The massive deep dish, rims wrapped in ultra-low profile tires hug the asphalt like claws, perfectly filling the extended wheel arches, adding a sense of grounded aggression even at a standstill. Move to the side profile and the car feels like it's leaning forward, ready to pounce. The lowered suspension setup combined with carbon side skirts and ventilated fenders makes this 350Z look like it belongs more on a track than a city street. But it manages to look just as at home drifting a tight corner as it does sitting under. The city lights, the mirrors are slim, blade-like, finished in dry carbon, and every crease along the side tells a story of custom craftsmanship and aerodynamic intention. At the rear, this car truly transforms. The taillights are now sleek, LED bars seamlessly integrated into the sculpted rear, while a functional carbon ducktail spoiler adds downforce and drama. Below, a carbon diffuser hosts quad titanium exhaust tips that growl with attitude. It's aggressive, low, and wide, the definition of a show-stopping presence, but it doesn't end with the exterior. Step inside and the transformation continues. The interior of this Nissan 350Z concept is a total fusion of race tech and luxury. The dashboard has been replaced with a floating digital cockpit that displays telemetry, boost gauges, G-forces, and more, wrapped in Alcantara with contrast stitching. The bucket racing seats hug you tightly, featuring 5-point harnesses, and the entire cabin is lined with matte carbon fiber trims and brushed aluminum accents. Ambient lighting glows from beneath the dash and doors in customizable tones, creating an atmosphere that's both high-tech and personal. The steering wheel is a flat-bottomed, suede-wrapped piece of art, housing paddle shifters that feel clicky and responsive, and mounted controls for the digital interface. The center console is clean, minimal, and futuristic, housing touch-responsive panels. Instead of traditional buttons, this car isn't just about looks. It's about experience, about merging analog passion with digital sophistication. And while the body screams tuner showpiece, it's not just a static display. It's engineered for motion under the hood. Imagine a tuned twin-turbo V6 or even a hybrid-assisted powertrain for brutal acceleration, with a custom exhaust system that delivers spine-tingling roars on throttle blips. It's the kind of sound that echoes off parking garages and city walls like a battle cry. This Nissan 350Z concept isn't for the quiet ones. It's a conversation starter, a head turner, a legend reborn in carbon and steel. Even parked under daylight inside a crowded showroom surrounded by curious visitors and other tuned imports, this 350Z stands alone. Its satin body reflects just enough of the environment to make every contour pop. Every curve enhanced by real-world lighting. Random people walk by and can't help but stop, stare, and ask questions. It represents not just a car, but an idea, a reminder that legends never die. They evolve. And this concept shows what happens when passion meets design with no limits. It's the 350Z reimagined for a new era of car lovers. The kind who appreciate the past but demand the future. And that wraps up our exclusive look at this savage Nissan 350Z concept. If this build blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to KZ Auto Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss a ride this wild. We've got more legends, more builds, and more future icons coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.